Today we will see different questions asked in an interview. First one is concrete grades with proportions. Different grades are M5, 7.5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and these are its proportions. 1:5:10 means 1 part of cement, 5 part of sand and 10 parts of aggregates. Cement, sand and aggregates. Cement, sand and aggregates. M7.5 is 1:4:8. M10 is 1:3:6. M15 is 1:2:4. M20 is 1:1.5:3. M25 is 1:1:2. Here we can easily memorize it by simply putting cement is 1 and sand is 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then for aggregate simply double it. Double of 5 is 10, double of 4 is 8, double of 3 is 6, double of 2 is 4, double of 1.5 is 3 and double of 1 is 2. Second question is ordinary concrete. M10 to M20 is ordinary concrete. Standard concrete. M25 to M60 is standard concrete. High strength concrete greater than M60 grade is high strength concrete. Third question, water absorption should not be more than 15% for red clay bricks. Red clay bricks should not absorb more than 15% of water. Fourth is lapping not allowed for bars of dia more than 36 mm. If bars of column are of greater dia than 36 mm, we can't lap it. We have to use coupler here for bars greater than 36 mm. Fifth, minimum dia for column is 12 mm. For column main bars, minimum dia is 12 mm. Minimum dia for slab is 8 mm. Sixth, in steel reinforcement, binding wire required is 1% of total steel, that is 10 kg for 1 metric ton. Seventh, pH of water used for construction should be more than 6, that is basic. Eighth, maximum free fall of concrete is 1.5 meter. Concrete should not be dropped from height more than 1.5 meter during casting. Electrical conduit shall not run in column. Electrical pipings should not run through columns. Water used for construction should be clean and free from oils, acids, alkali, salts, sugar and organic minerals. 11th is honeycomb is air pocket in the concrete or voids. Due to improper vibration during casting, honeycomb is formed in the concrete, which is air pockets. 12th is volume of 1 bag cement for 50 kg bag is 0.0347 m3. How do you get this value 0.0347 m3? I will show this. As you know, density is equal to mass by volume. Here we have mass, that is 50 kg for 1 bag of cement. We have density of cement. We have to find volume. So we do this. Volume is equal to mass upon density. Mass is 50 kg. Density of cement is 1440. We get 0.0347 m3. This way we can find volume of cement. Then 13th question is size of concrete cube for cube tests. Size of concrete cube is 150 mm into 150 mm into 150 mm. 14th is cement can be used till 3 months from date of manufacturing. After 3 months, cement is expired and can't be used. 15th is different type of steel bars. TMT is thermomechanically treated bars. Superductile bars, SD. Then is HYSD, high yield strength deformed bars. 18th is CTD, cold twisted deformed bars. Thank you.